I just got this new product from Povasee. It's a car jump starter. I'm just going to open it up. Nice concealed compartment. It's got a little handle, safekeeping there. Instructions. Cables, positive and negative. Plug in. USB cord, cigarette lighter, plug in. Right here we have a USB connections. This is where we connect the cables to. Very simple. Make sure your power is turned on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Real simple. Negative, black. And all we have to do now is go in the car and she'll crank right on up. Great job. You can't beat this.